Hello everyone, welcome to the Ethernet Technology Enhancement Program. Today we are here to learn about hybrid vehicles, the fundamentals, types and operating principles associated with it. The Technology Enhancement Program from eZenith is a program associated to enhance the various technologies, future technologies, upcoming technologies associated with automobile industry. I will take you to the whole hybrid vehicles and the scenario associated with it. I am working with eZenith as a technical expert with around 12 years of vehicle development through the industry, out of which 8 years have been spent in hybrid vehicles. If we understand the various contents that you'll be going through in this program, then this is how the flow for the ETAP looks like. We will first try to understand how the world automotive scenario is. When we say automobile, we have to talk about sustainable mobility because any solutions that are offered need to work across various broad spectrums of platforms and need to be sustainable. Then we will look at the trends in electrification in India and worldwide. We will move on to understand why hybrids and get a small introduction to hybrids. Once hybrid as a concept is clear, we will move on to the various concepts or components that are associated and that make up a hybrid vehicle, namely the motor, the power unit, batteries, control system, regenerative braking, etc. Then we will also study the auxiliary units that supplement the working of these components. They are the inverters, the DC-DC motors, thermal management system, generator units, a la from Formula 1, hybrid transmission, and power split device. Once this is over, then comes the deep dive, as we have barely scratched the surface. We'll understand the various hybrid topologies. You invent it, you name it, then it is sure to be part of this course. They are the series hybrids, the parallel hybrids, the series parallel hybrid, and the plug-in hybrids. To get the concepts totally clear, in series hybrid, we will look into the Chevy Voltic systems, the regenerative vehicles like the BMW i3s. In parallel, we'll understand the 12 volt and 48 volt micro and mild hybrid systems seen on the Mahindras and Suzuki vehicles. Also, we'll go through the advanced 48 volt systems on the Audis, which will become a common scene on the Indian roads in the near future. In series parallel, we will discuss the hybrid synergy drive. In plugins, we'll learn about the lovely Prius. Don't get confused with the image of the man in the gas stations. Hybrid do require fossil fuels to run. Then comes the fun part, I must say. We will learn about the hypercar trio, the Porsche 918s, the LaFerrari, and the McLaren P1, the holy grail of cars, which push the hybrid technologies to the very limits in a daily use. No technology will progress rapidly unless it involves motorsports. Hence, don't worry, we have that also covered up for you. These are your Audi and Porsche Le Mans race cars. Once all this is done and dusted, let's move on to the technologies associated with hybrid vehicles. The start-stop, the electric assist, the battery generators, and regenerative braking. To make you understand that hybrids are as simple to drive as your normal cars, we will learn the various modes of operations of a hybrid vehicles when it has been driven. Then we have two slides for you that compare the different hybrid topologies. One slide which compares the capabilities of hybrid vehicles, the other one which compares the technical aspects. But there are some misconceptions about the safety of hybrid cars. Are they really safe? Do the batteries explode? Or does it suddenly catch fire? We will clear that for you as well and let you know that the hybrid cars are as safe to drive as your normal conventional vehicles, and you can use it on a daily basis to drive around town with your family, your friends, and also your dog if you have one. And finally, we'll look at the challenges hybrid vehicles will have to be faced in the near future. And if not so far future, will the keys of your car have a tag called as hybrids? Hey, did you know the tire shredding awesome McLaren P1 is basically a parallel hybrid?